Wonderland Limited has excess cash of rupees 20 lakhs, which it wants to invest in short-term marketable securities. Expenses relating to the investment will be 50,000. So you will incur a cost of rupees 50,000 when you make investment. The securities invested will have annual yield of 9%. The company seeks your advice as to the period of the investment so as to earn pre-tax income of 5%. Minimum period for the company to break even its investment expenditure over the value of money. Everybody try to do answer of the first part of the question. Sure. Write an answer. Working note number 1. Calculation of income required. Friends, it has been given that the pre-tax income is required at the rate of 5%. So we understand that it is investment into rate of return. The amount of the investment is 20 lakhs. On that 5% income is required, that comes to an amount of rupees 1 lakh. That is the first working. This is the net income required. With paragraph write down, calculation of time period of investment to earn pre-tax income at the rate of 5% post expense, means after deducting expense. So in that case, gross income minus expense is equal to net income. Now what is the investment? Investment is 20 lakhs. What is the rate at which we are getting the interest? 9%. So we understand we get interest at the rate of 9%. We have to make investment at least for n number of months. This is the gross income. Minus expenses are 50,000. And after meeting with the expenses, your income should be 1 lakh. That is the way n will be found as balancing figure. So we understand that's over here 20 lakhs into 9%, that comes to 1,80,000 into n divided by 12 is equal to 1 lakh plus 50,000. So n will be found as balancing figure. N is equal to 1,50,000 into 12 divided by 1,80,000. So the final answer is 150 into 12 divided by 180. 10 months. So we understand that you have to make investment for 10 months so as to get the pre-tax income of 5%. This is the first working note, and this is the answer of the question regarding the time period for which the investment should be made. Next, the question says that you are required to find minimum period for the company to break even its investment expenditure over over time value of money. So in the second part of the question, we have to find what is the minimum time period for which the investment should be made so as to recover the expense of 50,000? That is a question. So write an answer. Calculation of minimum time period for which investment is to be made. Investment is to be made, comma, to break even full stop. It means that the income should be at least 50,000. In a way that the gross income minus expense is equal to net income. We understand that the gross income is 20 lakhs into 9% into n divided by 12. So this is the gross income minus expenses 50,000 and the net income should be 0. So 50,000 is transferred over there. So 20 lakhs into 9%, 1,80,000 into n divided by 12, that is 50,000. N is the number of months. So it is 50,000 into 12 divided by 1,80,000. That is the way n is found as balancing figure. 50,000 into 12 upon 1,80,000. That comes to 3.33 months. That is the way we can find answer.